Hello students, today we are going to study about lightning and thunder. First of all, we know about what is lightning. Lightning means the production of light in our atmosphere due to the massive flow of charges between the two opposite charged cloud. This flow of charge occur very short interval of time. This flow of charge is between the opposite clouds, charged cloud, is known as lightning. Why lightning? Because during this process light is produced and lot of heats also produced at that place. So the air at that place expand due to because of it gain heat from the lightning in very short interval of time. This gain of heat by the air in very short interval of time create the lot of vibration, which create the production of sound. It means that the light is produced due to the exchange of large amount of charge between the two opposite clouds, charged clouds, which makes the spark. This is known as lightning, and when the air at that place gain heat and expand in very short interval of time, which create the sound, this sound is known as thunder. Thundering is very dangerous for our living survival sometime because it create lot of noise. Now we are going to the study lightning can be dangerous. Why lightning can be dangerous? Lightning, as you know that lightning occur due to the large amount of heat exchange between the two opposite clouds. If these charges are attracted by the earth, and when these charges comes toward the earth and fall on a building or tree or some living organism, then it become very dangerous because it destroy the building, it makes the crack inside the building, it destroy the tree, or if it fall on the any living organism, then it makes the body burn, serious burn the body of a living organism. Is it clear? So we take precaution during the lightning and thundering. Is it clear? What types of precaution we should take during the lightning and thundering? First precaution is avoid standing under the tall tree and tall buildings, because lightnings attracted by the tall building and tall trees, and if you are standing near or under this tall building or trees, then it may be chance that we will get you are in serious problem, or we will get a lot of charge, a tremendous amount of charge fall on a body. Is it clear? Next point is avoid holding or touching or going near the metallic object. Avoid touching holding or going near the metallic object. Why it is? Because as you know that charge are mostly attracted, or charge have favorable condition to flow inside the what inside the metallic object, because metals are the conductor of charges. Is it clear? Next point says avoid bathing as well as contact with the running water. Running water means we should not bath during the thundering or lightning in the river, canal. Why? Because all these waters are also good conductor or receiver the charge of the thundering or lightning. Is it clear? Okay. Do not use an umbrella if you are standing outside, because as you know that the handle of umbrella is made up of metal, and if we go outside during the thundering and lightning, then it may be chance that charges are attracted by the metallic metallic handle of the umbrella. Is it clear? Next topic is unplug the television, computers and other electrical appliances during the thunderstorm. Why? Because as you know that all these electronic things are good conductor of charges. If we see during the thundering, or if we switch on the all these electrical appliances, it may be chance that charges are attracted, charges of the lightnings are attracted all these electrical components. Is it clear? If in a automobile, continue to sit inside the same with window and door shuts. If you are in automobile or in car, then we should not comes out during the thundering or lightning. Is it clear? It is safe to sit inside the car or any other automobile. Clear? Lightning conductor. What is lightning conductor? Next topic is lightning conductor. What is lightning conductor? Lightning conductor is a device which protects from the thundering or lightning of a tall building. How it protects the tall building? Because this lightning conductor is made up of a heavy, thick wire, which is made up of good conductor of electricity. It have capacity to flow the large amount of charges inside in it. Is it clear? As you know, this lightning conductor of two end. One end is installed at the top of the building, tall building, so that if it may be chance if thundering occur at that time, then this one end of the lightning conductor is attracts all the charges, and it prevents the charge to fall on the tall building. It attracts the charge toward it and pass all the charge through the other end inside the earth. Is it clear? This process is known as also earthing. Why? This process in which the charge are transferred inside the earth. Is it clear? And the wire which is used to carry the lightning charges of the lightning from the top of the building to the inside the toward the earth is known as earthing, and this process this wire is known as lightning conductor. Is it clear? Okay. Some useful effect of the lightning. Lightning also useful things. Why? Because during the lightning it forms the ozones, and as you know that ozones are very important because it reflects the ultraviolet radiation coming from the sun. Is it clear? During the lightning also nitrogen fixation in the atmosphere. Is it clear? Which helps our crop to store what proteins inside the crops. Is it clear? Okay, thank you. Our chapter is complete.